What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. And what do we have on the menu today? I'm gonna show you guys how to make spicy chili garlic noodles. Man, this is delicious. And if you like a little heat, you're gonna really appreciate it. So I hope in your kitchen, I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let's go ahead and do a roll call. So right here I have about 6 to 8 ounces of noodles. I'm using the wide noodles, guys. I have 3 green onions chopped. Right here I have about 1.5 inches of ginger. I just chopped it, minced it. And right here I have a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Right here I have a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Now that dark soy sauce, you know, guys, is gonna give it that dark color, which you really want on these chili garlic noodles. It just gives it that better look with the dark soy sauce. So make sure you get the dark soy sauce. Right here I have a tablespoon of red chili flakes. Here I have 1 shallot chopped, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. I have a tablespoon of sesame oil. I have 2 tablespoons of chili oil. I have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And I have 5 to 6 garlic cloves minced here. I love garlic, guys. You want to cut that back, you can, but I like garlic in mine, so I'm having about 5 or 6 garlic cloves. So these are the ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we're gonna do now is start preparing our pasta first, and we're gonna prepare according to the box structure. So I've already got some water here boiling, so I'm just gonna drop my pasta in here like that. And my box instruction tells me to cook mine for 7 minutes. And guys, what you want to do is you want to make sure you stir it throughout the time, because you don't want them to start sticking together. What I typically do, I add a cap full of vinegar. That kind of helps them from, keeps them from sticking to each other. This is a little pro tip. I use a cap full of white vinegar, and that kind of helps it from sticking to each other. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook until it's done. So we're gonna go ahead and move over here to our cooktop so we can start preparing. That way when the noodles are ready, we can go ahead and get them in there, all right? Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take our chili oil and we're gonna just add this to our non-stick pan. Now guys, if you don't have chili oil, you can use regular vegetable oil or canola oil. It really doesn't matter. So I wanna use the chili oil to maintain that chili garlic flavor, but you can also use olive oil. All right, so we're gonna start off adding our garlic, our shallots, and our ginger. And we're gonna cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes till you get that fragrant and get them softened. All right, so we're now about 2 minutes in. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add our chili flakes or chili powder. And we're gonna cook this for about another minute. Guys, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of chili powder to this. That's gonna be a nice addition along with the chili flakes. With our oyster sauce. Man, it's whipping up good, guys, and it's smelling good too. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come behind that with our noodles. We're gonna add our soy sauce, our dark soy sauce there, our light soy sauce, our vinegar, rice vinegar. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this tossed around in here for about 2 minutes. Guys, you wanna make sure you get this mixed real well. Make sure you got all your garlic mixture on these noodles. That's where the flavor comes in at. And lastly, we're gonna add our green onions. Then we're gonna cook this for another 1 to 2 minutes, let it saute. All right, so we are done, man. This looks great. I'm telling you, guys. Oh my goodness. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this over to a clean bowl, and we're gonna get into our final presentation. That way we can get into some quality control, so I can let you guys know what this tastes like. All right, let's go. Guys, take a look at that. Oh my goodness. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop a couple of more green onions on top just to add a little bit more brighter color to it. not that many. And I'm gonna drop some of these sesame seeds. You could toast them if you want to. I didn't toast these. I'm just gonna use them like this. Oh my goodness. And there you have it, guys. Chili garlic noodles. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. Guys, I left the ingredients and the measurements. They're all in the video description below so you guys can check it out. Follow me step by step with this recipe. I know you guys are gonna love it. So let's go ahead and get in quality control so I can confirm that you guys are gonna love this recipe. So let's go. All right, guys, so now it's time for quality control. So let me show you my bowl of noodles. Man, take a look at that. Man, y'all know I'm not gonna eat all that, but I'm gonna try it right out of this bowl. So I got my fork here. What y'all thought? Y'all thought a guy from Alabama was gonna show up with some chopsticks? Man, knock it off. We doing straight the fork. Man, if I try to get on here and try to use some chopsticks, it ain't no telling what's gonna happen. I probably won't even get a noodle close to my mouth if I had some chopsticks. All right, so let's go ahead and check this out. Oh man. And this is why I like the wide noodles, man, because it's just, it gives it a better look, and man, it's more, oh man, more flavor in it. Oh man. The chili, the garlic. Oh man, delicious. I love it, man. If you like pasta, especially, you know, pasta noodles, and you like the chili garlic taste, you're gonna love this, man. I'm telling you, this is delicious. So let me give me a little bit more. See what it tastes like. It is spicy. And this is just how this recipe is made. It is spicy, guys. So if you don't like spiciness, it's probably not a, I don't know if you can call it chili garlic noodles. Maybe you can call it something else. So if you like spice, this is the perfect dish for you. And if you need a little bit more, add some more chili powder, add some more red pepper flakes to it, you'll be on top. But I like it just like this. I'm telling you, and I like stuff hot, but I like it just like this. Enough heat for me. So guys, until the end, I'm your cook, Spinelli, and this is All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.